are you today? I hope you are in a good condition. Today is the week 1. We're going to talk about farm animals. But before we talk about it, I want you guys to read the chart of phonics. So let's just read together. 3. Okay, let's read the chart. Repeat after me. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, now I want you to read it randomly. I will point out the alphabet number here. I will point out the alphabet and then you have to say the phonics. I'm gonna point it randomly and then you need to say the phonics. Okay, let's start with this. What is this? Okay, good job everyone. Thank you. Okay, now let's talk about the farm animals. There are some farm animals that I have explained to you or we have discussed about. And I'm going to show you some flashcard of it. I need you to guess what animal is that. Okay, so what animal is this? Yes, correct. This is horse. How about this one? Yes, that is cow. How about this one? Yes, that is duck. And this one? Yes, it is pig. Okay, that's for the flashcard. Now I have more animals here. This one, can you guess what animal is this? Yes, this one is goat. This one, do you know what is it? Yes, this one is sheep. Okay, now do you know what is this? This one is hen. The last, this one. Okay, good. This one is absolutely dog. Okay, just now in a flashcard, I have horse. Can you still remember? Horse, and then what else? Pig. What else? What is this? Yes, it's a cow. Okay? Now I have one problem. I have some words scrambled. Animal words is scrambled. And it's time for you to unscramble the words. For example, I will erase this one. Okay. I will have this good e p. Can you guess what animal is this? Can you guess what word is it? Can you guess it? It's good e p. You need to unscramble these letters. Become one farm animal. Yes, this one is supposed to be pig. Next, how about this one? Can you guess what is this? Remember, there is T, O, G, and A. What comes first? It's supposed to be goat. Yes, correct. It's a goat. Okay? So just now we learned goat, sheep, and then hen, and then dog. Okay? I will write it here. Goat, sheep, hen, dog, and the other animals in a flashcard we have horse, we have pig, we have cow, and we have duck. Now can you read this? Repeat after me. Goat, sheep, hen, dog, horse, pig, cow, and duck. Okay, now I want you to read it by yourself. What is it? Okay, good job everyone. Now it's time for you to do the worksheets.
Okay, so this is how you do the worksheets. Please read the instructions here. Unscramble this word puzzle and find the names of these farm's animals. First, we have this picture. What picture is that? What picture is this? Yes, it's a cow. Now, how to make words of cow? We got W or W, K, and O. Cow. Repeat after me. Cow. Okay, so you have learned about cow. We just need to put the K first here. K, O, W. It's a cow. Get it? Now, what picture is this? Yes, it's a sheep. What is this? It's a sheep. Now, how to make the words of sheep? We got h, s, a, p, and another a. Now you have to make the word of sheep. What comes first? Is it h first, or s, or a, or p, or this other a? Now it's time for you to do it by yourself. Next, we turn to the worksheets part B. What animal is this? Complete the puzzle according to the clue. Okay, now look at this one. What is this? Do you know what is this? Yes, it's a baby chicken. Baby chicken, we call it chick. What is this again? It's a chick. Say it, chick. Okay, now we have to write it down. Chick. Write it in this line. One box needs one letter. So how to write chick? We got k first, and then h, and then e, and then k again, and then k for kangaroo, and then s. It's chicks because there are two chicks, so we put s here. Chicks. It's a chicks. Okay. Now, what picture is this? You gotta write it down here. What picture is this? Yes, it's a cow. It's a cow. Say it again. Cow. Okay, good. Now you need to write cow in this line. Remember, one box need one letter. That is k already. Now we write the rest of it. K for the first, and then O, and then W. It's a cow. Cow. Now you need to do the rest of it by yourself. Tell what picture is this, and then what is this? You need to write it down. Then what is this? You need to write it vertically. And then this, write it down. Write that picture down here. Remember to put one letter only in one box. Okay?
Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget